Today I will guide on POS daily operation using EzyRetail POS system. First we click Open Counter, and this screen is the Open Counter interface, where we input the amount of money to start the counter for the day. Here I enter our M50 to do a demonstration. Next, we are on the main counter interface. We can use the menu on the right-hand side to place an order, or we can use the small box at the top to place an order. If you accidentally select the wrong item, we can cancel it. We just need to swipe the incorrect item to the left, and we'll see a red trash can. We just need to click and confirm to remove the item. Besides that, we can also click on the bottom right corner. This button allows us to remove all items at once. Next, if the items sold are priced by weight in kilograms, we can preset the price per kilogram. We just need to enter the weight in kilograms on the order screen, and the price will be calculated automatically. Additionally, we offer a feature to temporarily adjust the price. We just need to click the small pencil icon next to the price on the order screen, and we can change the price. Of course, we can also change the quantity of items. Click the small pencil icon next to the quantity, and we can adjust the quantity. Next, if a customer we're serving suddenly says they need to leave for a moment, we can hold their orders for now, then serve the next customer. When the customer returns, we can load the order back and continue the payment. Of course, if you want to delete a held order, it can be done. Just click on Load Bill and swipe the unwanted order to the left. Then click the red trash can and click Yes button. Alternatively, you can use the small broom icon at the bottom right to delete all held bills at once. Next, we'll introduce the payment functionality. Click the yellow button at the bottom right to go to the payment screen. We offer a multiple payment feature, which allows customers to use up to 3 different payment methods. After clicking Payment, you can choose whether to print the receipt. Next, click the Home button at the top left, and we'll return to the Ezy POS screen. Next, we click Close Counter. Asterisk note, if there are held bills in the counter, you cannot close the counter. If there are no held bills in the counter, you can click to close the counter, then click Yes to successfully close the counter. That's it for today's daily operations with the EzyRetail POS system.